Meaning of inappropriately.
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 Inappropriately. The term inappropriately refers to an action or behavior that is unsuitable, unacceptable, or not fitting for a particular situation or context. When someone behaves inappropriately, they may offend others, violate social norms or professional standards, or cause harm to themselves or others. The consequences of inappropriate behavior can range from mild social awkwardness to legal or institutional penalties, depending on the severity of the situation. It is important to understand what constitutes appropriate behavior in various settings and to communicate and act accordingly to maintain positive relationships and avoid negative outcomes.